Ever wondered what happens when AI falls into the wrong hands? By the end of this video, you'll discover the dark side of AI, specifically Worm GPT and how hackers might be using it as their new tool. Have you ever wondered what happens when AI, which promises to revolutionize our world, falls into the wrong hands? If you're watching this, you likely appreciate the transformative power of AI. But what happens when this technology is exploited for malicious purposes? Worm GPT is a prime example of AI being used in ways that can pose serious threats. This video will uncover the potential dangers and what you need to know to stay protected. Stay with us to understand how Worm GPT could be used by hackers and the implications for cybersecurity. If you leave now, you might miss out on crucial information that could help you safeguard your digital life. Before we dive in, have you heard of any AI tools being used for malicious purposes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Worm GPT is a sophisticated AI tool designed to automate and enhance hacking activities. It uses natural language processing to create phishing emails, develop malware, and even simulate human-like conversations to deceive victims. Imagine receiving an email that looks exactly like it came from your bank, complete with personalized details and convincing language. That's the power of Worm GPT in action. Unlike traditional hacking tools, Worm GPT leverages AI to learn and adapt, making it more effective at breaching defenses over time. Worm GPT can analyze large datasets to identify potential targets, craft persuasive messages, and execute complex social engineering attacks. Its ability to mimic human behavior makes it particularly dangerous, as victims are less likely to suspect they're being scammed. Hackers use Worm GPT for various malicious activities, including creating phishing campaigns, generating fake news, and spreading misinformation. In 2023, a major phishing campaign was uncovered where Worm GPT generated emails tricked thousands of users into revealing their personal information, leading to significant financial losses. By automating these tasks, hackers can launch large-scale attacks with minimal effort, increasing their reach and impact. Phishing emails generated by Worm GPT are nearly indistinguishable from legitimate ones, often including accurate personal details that make them highly convincing. The AI can also create realistic fake news articles, complete with quotes and statistics, to manipulate public opinion or destabilize markets. Traditional cybersecurity measures, such as firewalls and antivirus software, are often reactive, detecting threats based on known patterns. Worm GPT, however, can generate new, previously unseen attack vectors, making it harder to detect and defend against. This requires cybersecurity professionals to adopt more proactive, AI-driven defense strategies. Have you, or anyone you know, been affected by a cyber attack recently? How do you think AI tools like Worm GPT could change the landscape of cybersecurity? Let us know in the comments below. To combat the threats posed by Worm GPT, organizations need to adopt advanced cybersecurity measures, including AI-driven defense systems. One tech company implemented an AI-based monitoring system that successfully detected and neutralized a Worm GPT attack before it could cause damage. These systems use machine learning to identify unusual patterns and respond to threats in real time, offering a robust defense against AI-driven attacks. AI-driven defense systems can analyze vast amounts of network traffic data to detect anomalies indicative of a Worm GPT attack. By continuously learning and adapting, these systems can identify even the most subtle signs of malicious activity. Additionally, threat intelligence. Sharing among organizations can help build a collective defense against such advanced threats. The use of AI in hacking raises significant ethical questions. Should AI development be regulated to prevent misuse? How can we balance innovation with security? Experts are already debating the moral implications of AI in warfare, emphasizing the need for international regulations to prevent misuse. For instance, some propose a global AI oversight body to monitor and regulate AI applications. Addressing these ethical dilemmas is crucial to ensuring that AI benefits society while minimizing its potential for harm. Regulating AI development is a complex challenge, as it involves balancing the need for innovation with the need for security and ethical considerations. Some experts advocate for ethical AI guidelines that ensure AI systems are designed and used responsibly. Others suggest more stringent regulations such as mandatory security audits for AI applications and penalties for developers who fail to comply. The future of AI and cybersecurity is both promising and concerning. Advances in AI technology will lead to more sophisticated defense mechanisms, but also more advanced threats. Imagine a future where AI systems are constantly at war, with defensive AI countering every move of offensive AI in a high-stakes game of digital cat and mouse. As AI technology continues to evolve, cybersecurity will become an ever more critical field, requiring constant vigilance and innovation to stay ahead of potential threats. Future AI-driven cybersecurity systems may employ advanced techniques such as quantum computing to detect and neutralize threats at unprecedented speeds. Additionally, collaboration between government agencies, private companies, and academic institutions will be essential to developing comprehensive cybersecurity strategies. On the flip side, cybercriminals will likely continue to innovate, using AI to automate and enhance their attacks, making the cybersecurity landscape increasingly dynamic and challenging. Beyond theoretical discussions, Worm GPT has already had tangible impacts on various sectors. From financial institutions to healthcare, the reach of this malicious AI tool is vast. Worm GPT's ability to adapt means that its applications are only limited by the imagination of the hackers using it. For instance, it can be used to create deepfake videos that can ruin reputations, manipulate elections, or even cause panic by simulating emergency broadcasts. The implications are far-reaching and underscore the need for robust defenses and ethical guidelines. To effectively counter Worm GPT and similar threats, organizations need to build resilient cyber defense mechanisms. This involves a combination of advanced technology, skilled personnel, and proactive strategies. A leading cybersecurity firm developed a multi-layered defense system that incorporates AI-driven threat detection, real-time response teams, and continuous monitoring. This approach helped them thwart a sophisticated Worm GPT attack aimed at stealing intellectual property. Building resilience also involves regular training and awareness programs for employees, ensuring they can recognize and respond to potential threats. Furthermore, organizations should invest in incident response plans that are regularly updated and tested. Resilience is not just about technology, it's also about culture. Organizations must foster a culture of security where every employee understands their role in protecting data and systems. This includes regular security drills, transparent communication about threats, and encouraging a proactive approach to cybersecurity. We've explored the dark side of AI through Worm GPT, examining its potential uses by hackers, the threats it poses to cybersecurity, and the ethical implications of its use. Understanding these issues is essential as we navigate the complex landscape of AI and cybersecurity. Now that you know about the dark side of AI and Worm GPT, what steps will you take to protect yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Hit the like button if you found this video enlightening, and share it with anyone who might benefit. See you in the next video.